So I'm at Kuza Cave. Kuza Cave is, the cave is over there, but you can do also cooking, and this is a cultural area. Focus, focus, focus. And this brother has invited me into his house, well, to show me his house. I was looking at his house. Let me go back a bit so you can see. So Makute roof, and as you can see, it's like the clay. It's clay. I think it's he's mixed it. He's mixed. He's mixed, as you can see. I mean, I know Maasai will mix the clay and cow dung. Look at the door. This is fantastic. That door is fabulous. And it smells great as well, the door. So in here, it's very warm. This is for cooking. I love this place. It's awesome. Very clean, very nice. And the door to the rooms. We're gonna go in. And this is the roof. The roof will keep the rain out, so rain won't come in here. This is nice, 2 beds. Oh, I like that. This is to cover the food? Like Maasai house. What are these for?
This for, to make a flour for maize.
Ah, yeah. The grinding.
Yeah, the grinding.
Yeah. I love this. How long did it take you to make it?
To make it this house.
To build this house.
So it depends. If you're too busy, so it's gonna take you like almost. If you have it, it can take you 2 weeks to finish.
Wow.
To finish the house.
It's very warm. It's nice. It's not too hot. It's just cool. It's so cute.
And because of the palm, that roof.
Yes. It keeps it cool. It's very nice. I like the roof. I like the roof. Thank you.
So it's better to have this kind of bed rather than to have like a mattress and
really?
Because it's like just to massage.
Ah.
When you sleep in this, you're not gonna feel like
no pain.
You know this?
No. What is this?
You can put like light. We're calling color boy.
Wow. Kibatani.
Yeah.
So nice. But what we use from home.
You put the oil?
You put,
and then you fuel and then you light it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can you buy?
I love this. It's very nice. I love this. Where did you get this from?
It's everywhere people that make it.
Really?
Swahili, that is a Swahili.
This is nice though. I like
Swahili
this.
The cost side, they use more. That's to cover the food.
To cover the food, I know. That's what I need, one of those. In Arusha, many flies. And here, especially of the fruit, many flies. You know, you eat outside. This is beautiful. What do you call this kind of house?
It's Swahili house. It's Swahili house. Swahili.
Just house.
Yeah, Swahili house.
Swahili house. And this is just mud? Clay?
Yeah.
I love it.
Even if you can come.
Yes.
That's all we have.
I love this. Nice. This is your land.
Yeah.
This is where you shower.
It's there.
It's nice. I love this. I love your doors. They're fabulous.
Not expensive.
I know. And it does the job. You know? How long have you been here?
Yeah. For so long. Not like a really bad year. That was almost 1 year.
1 year. Thank you so much.